Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my first eyeshadow palette. This is the first ever Spotbeauty eyeshadow palette. So it took about 3 to 4 weeks for this to get to me. You know, they have to like do the printing and like assemble everything together. So yeah, I waited about 3 weeks. So if you want to make your own eyeshadow palette and customize it to your brand, you just have to let your vendors know. So what I did was I designed what I wanted the eyeshadow palette to look like. Then I sent it to the vendor. So I'm going to show what I designed here and how I communicated with the vendors. So I let them know like what I want the packaging and everything to look like, and the names that I wanted for the shades. That's basically it. So you just let them know how you want it, and then you can pick your colors. I chose natural colors, but I don't know, they look natural in the picture, but I don't know how what they will look like now. So yeah, so enough of that, let's just go into the unboxing. So it came in this box, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and open that up. So this is what it looks like, and we have the eyeshadow palette itself. Whoa, so I called it the minimalist eyeshadow palette for those who like to do minimal makeup. Like, ooh, so that's what it looks like. And look at that. Wow. Whoa, I love it. I named that minimal, clean, simple, unbothered, moderate, minimum, easy, minimalist, not crazy. So these eyeshadow palettes will be dropping on the 15th of November. Today is the 8th, and I'm going to be dropping this on the 15th. If you're following me on Instagram, you probably know that I'm actually doing a revamp. So I'm releasing new glosses, new products, new eyeshadow palette, also a new highlighter that I'm going to be releasing on the 15th. So stay tuned for that. So the back has the ingredients, and that's what it looks like. And it has my logo up here, Spotbeauty. And yeah, you guys, I'm super excited. So like I said, this will be dropping on the 15th of November, and today is the 8th. So we have like 7 more days for the eyeshadow palette to drop. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on them and create your looks, your simple looks. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.